ports in South China's Beibu Gulf have seen strong cargo throughput growth during the peak season since early December.
Now we're at the Qingzhou port in South China's Guangxi. Behind me docked a seagoing ship which will depart to Vietnam after finishing the loading. The port is a key transit point in new international land-sea trade corridor which connects China's western provinces and the Southeast Asian nations. Since China recently unveiled 10 prevention and control measures to further optimize its COVID-19 response, local governments have rolled out a raft of follow-up measures to push for normalcy and resume production and businesses. In this port, more and more containers are transported, and the port is on the track to reach its target of 7 million standard containers of this year.
The Beibu Gulf port comprises the ports of Qingzhou, Fangcheng, and Beihai. As the gateway port to ASEAN nations, tons of cargo is shipped every day to and from here.
今年1到11月份，我们青州集装箱码头1到6号泊位完成的吞吐量是465万标箱，同比增长12.5%。其中外贸完成了74万标箱，内贸完成391万标箱。我们码头迎来了生产高峰，所有泊位每天都满负荷作业。
进入12月份以来到港的船舶明显增多。我们400泊位还有这个402泊位这2个20万吨级泊位都是不停的生产，船舶一艘接着一艘，中途都没有间断的。
Beibu Gulf serves as an important transit point in the new international land-sea trade corridor and is the closest gateway to the sea for China's inland provinces. The corridor connects 14 provincial-level regions in China with ports in more than 100 countries and regions around the world. From January to November this year, the cargo throughput of Beibu Gulf Port reached 250 million tons, up 3.9% year-on-year.